Tapos din eh. Dapat dyan ano.
Rani, ito ba yung diretso? Ito yung poste ng ating...
Opo, diretso po yan. Magiging ano lang po yan, yung maliit. Latag po yung nahulong pagkatabi dapat.
Yeah. So we are starting to put the form for the slabs. Getting ready for concrete pouring probably next week, Rani. Hopefully we can pour next week. Can we?
Opo, opo. Pwede po.
Yeah, Foreman said that we can pour next week. So we are renting a pumpcrete, so that will be a lot easier to pour it because it's a larger area compared to the basement. So it's probably about 4 trucks of concrete ready mix. Ingat kayo dito, Rani, ha? Kasi masyadong mataas. Alam mo, high-rise building tong ginagawa natin eh. Nakagawa ka na ba ng multi-story building?
3-story lang po.
3-story. So parang ganito din lang kasi maglalagay ka ng ano eh. Maglalagay ka pa ng second floor. Kasi 1, 2, 3.
Pero mas mataas po yung kasi...
Syempre.
Ito ho medyo mababa.
Mababa kasi dito. Tapos dito, mga halos siguro mga 4 meters na ang ano nun eh. Pero ganyan din ang approach ng construction. So let's climb up. That portion now they put those Good morning. Today is July 17th. And gonna see what's the progress. They are still working on the beams for the ground floor slab. It looks like it's getting in there. It's a little bit more at the back. So they're able to going down at the heel. Alright. So this is our lunch pool area. They're already slowly removing all the support. It's over 3 weeks already, so the clearing period is almost done. So this is where we're going to put our water tank. We're gonna put concrete hollow blocks here, and then we're gonna enclose it, but I'm planning just to leave this open. So we have one light, so that and then this is where we're gonna put the filter for the plunge pool. This is where the plunge pool area. It's just about 3 meters by 4 meters long, and it's gonna be, the other end is gonna be under the balcony, so it's kind of like protruding a little bit. So we're just gonna dig some more, and we're gonna put all the soil on the foundation, or the backfill of the foundation. So we have all our lightings ready, and we're gonna finish the ceiling too. Pranicy, maganda tong i-finish yung ceiling, oh. Marami tayong mga nakausbong, no? Yeah, maganda na dun eh. Lalagyan na lang natin siguro to ng vinyl. Vinyl na lang na brown. Yun na lang ang finish natin dito, hindi na gypsum board. Tapos iputi na lang lahat siguro yung dito, yung mga biga. Tapos that's where the seating area is gonna be. That's the lanai, and this is gonna be closed, and that's gonna be our entrance. We were planning to build the stairs down from the deck, but the space is too small, so we just decided that let's to forget it. So dapat pala nilagyan din natin to, Rani, para yung pinaka span ng column hindi ganito kahaba. Kasi diyan napuputol yan pagka nilagyan mo ng ganun eh. So hindi siya diretso, pero kaya na rin yan.
Nalagyan po
ng ganun. Parang dugtong-dugtong din. Pero it's okay. Kasi sabi ko, kaya pinalagyan ko ito ng deck eh. Tingnan mo kung isipin mo kung walang deck. Isipin mo kung walang deck, ang poste niyan hanggang dun, hanggang ground floor. So sobrang haba. Kaya pinalagyan ko ng deck para siya na lang ang maghahawak.
ito po, may dito po ito.
Ha?
Meron pa po lang dyan.
Alin? Alin? Ito. Oo nga, pero sabi ko nga kung walang deck, sobrang haba na ng poste. Pero ito na lang bali ang wala eh. Walang kwan eh. So isa lang, tsaka konti lang binubuhat niyan. Tsaka laki-laking posting yan para dyan sa posting. Parehong size eh, 20mm din ang rebars niyan. Sangga pala rito ang beach. Kailangan talagang putulin yan. Titrim kaya nila lahat yan.
Trim lang, oh.
Puputulin ang ganda, no? Para lang makita yung beach.
Pero pag ito, di ba ako taglagas? Pag tag-init.
Oo nga, pero maganda yung wala na nakaharang. Akala ko kasi kitang-kita pa rin dito. Kita pa rin dito kung walang puno. Okay na to, almost cured na eh. Oo. So pagka nagbuhos tayo ng ground floor, mag-assign ka na lang ng sa vibrator para mas maganda yung finish ng buhos. Tatakloban naman lahat yan, pero ayos.